Top 5 Refrigerator Set 26. Discover the best products for your home. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. Frigidaire Retro Compact Fridge, Moonbeam. Bring retro charm to your space with the Frigidaire Retro Compact Fridge in Moonbeam, where vintage style meets modern efficiency. Perfect for dorms, offices, or kitchens, this compact fridge offers superior cooling and energy savings compared to similar models. With a sleek, nostalgic design and adjustable shelves, it's as functional as it is fashionable. Easily navigate product details using your keyboard's up or down arrows. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. Shop confidently in our kitchen department for trusted appliances. Enjoy reliable performance and timeless appeal, all in one eye-catching appliance. Upgrade your space with the Frigidaire Retro Compact Fridge and experience the perfect blend of form and function. Number 4. Frigidaire EFR 376 Retro Pink Bar Fridge. Bring retro charm to your space with the Frigidaire EFR 376 Retro Pink Bar Fridge. Perfect for dorms, offices, or kitchens. Compared to similar compact fridges, it stands out with its vibrant pink finish, sleek rounded edges, and efficient cooling. Easily navigate product details using your keyboard's up and down arrows. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117, so you can enjoy fast, reliable shipping. Select your preferred department, like arts, crafts and sewing, or beauty and personal care, to explore more. With intuitive features and a nostalgic design, this bar fridge combines style and function. Don't miss this eye-catching, space-saving appliance that's as practical as it is playful. Upgrade your space with Frigidaire's retro-inspired cool. Number 3. Frigidaire EFR 376 Black Retro Bar Fridge. Bring style and efficiency to your space with the Frigidaire EFR 376 Black Retro Bar Fridge. Perfect for kitchens, dorms, or offices. Its sleek retro design stands out, while compact dimensions and quiet operation make it ideal for small spaces. Compared to similar mini fridges, it offers superior cooling performance and energy efficiency. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate product options effortlessly. We deliver to Kansas City 66117, so convenience is just a click away. Whether you're storing snacks, drinks, or essentials, this fridge combines vintage charm with modern reliability. Choose the right department, like appliances, for a seamless shopping experience. Upgrade your space with Frigidaire's trusted quality today. Number 2. Igloo IRF 32BK Compact Fridge with Freezer. The Igloo IRF 32BK Compact Fridge with Freezer offers unmatched value compared to similar mini fridges, boasting a sleek black design, spacious 3.2 cubic feet interior, and a convenient freezer compartment. Perfect for dorms, offices, or bedrooms, it cools efficiently while saving space. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate product details seamlessly. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117, ensuring fast, reliable service. Select your preferred department, from arts and crafts to beauty and personal care, for a tailored shopping experience. With trusted performance and modern convenience, the Igloo IRF 32BK stands out in its class. Upgrade your space today with this stylish, energy-efficient compact fridge that delivers both function and flair. Number 1. Igloo 3.2 Cu.Ft. Compact Refrigerator, White. Upgrade your space with the Igloo 3.2 Cu.Ft. Compact Refrigerator in sleek white, perfect for dorms, offices, or small kitchens. Compared to similar compact models, Igloo offers superior cooling efficiency and a spacious interior with adjustable shelves and a reversible door for flexible placement. Easily navigate product details using your keyboard's up or down arrows. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. For assistance, select your preferred department like arts, crafts and sewing, or beauty and personal care. Please note, address changes may occasionally encounter errors. Please try again. Trust Igloo for reliable, stylish refrigeration that fits your lifestyle and space. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.